All right, day 2. Beach was fun yesterday. Rolling into the track. Let's go. In the track. We're on the course right now that I actually run the Rolex 24 right here. This is the actual raceway. Pretty cool. Coming off there, turn around, head back out. That's a very large flag. So is that one. Whoa, look at that thing. What will they come up with next? Alrighty. Jeeps on Jeeps on Jeeps. The essential part. Got the sunscreen on, got the shoes on. Get this rolling. Now we're ready. All right, walking in the Speedway here. Let's check it out. TS18 as always. Sure we'll hear them in a minute. There's something you don't see every day. It's pretty sick. I hope my microphone works, so here we are. Just entered inside the track. Gonna take a lap around, check out the vendors, see the homies, get some parts, and then head back to the beach. Let's see what the track has to offer. Got Jeepers Den up in here. Hey, hey.
How are you?
What's going down?
Not much.
Cats having fun yet?
Absolutely.
All right. Hope this music isn't spiking my audio. And here we have all the Jeeps from Jeep. Check these things out. Fixing this solar shield we're looking at. What's up, dude? Good to see you.
Wow, that was crazy.
All right, got the rewind. The lower 40. Got the stitch. Check this out again with the track. You can just walk up here. What's up, big dog?
Good seeing you,
How you
buddy.
doing? Repping some race line today, huh?
Come to help out.
There you go. Homies at CMM Off-Road that make the best mirror mounts and handles for the JK. Got the handles, shake the whole Jeep, the mount system as well. And then check it out on the, these are what I came to grit from my Jeep because they changed them for 2025. See that guy right here, mounts up there. Got the breakaway mirror. Definitely about to pick up a set of these. Definitely check it out for the best mirror solutions. And of course, we got the homies, Spiderweb Shade. Oh, we got a little shake and bake JKU there. solar shield. Come get yours. You can get them custom done. You can just get colors. You got the Jeep Beach bags. Monster up in here, just talking free drinks. Keep trying. Already doing a recovery. Nice and easy with the kinetic rope. See, now you're getting smart, man. The long sleeves. So what's up? These are new fancy gloves, huh?
Yep, so that is Buffalo Inner and American Elk Outer.
That's awesome.
So Justin's been wearing the same pair for like 4 years.
Yeah, I saw it, just like a recent video, and I was like, they look legit. What are those? What do they go for?
$90.
That was kind of what I was figuring. I thought you might even have said more than that.
Small, medium, and large.
Okay, that's legit. Yeah, I did it. Almost. Got Big Dog Jerry running the show over here.
Oh gosh!
What took you guys so long?
What took you so long?
I was in a meeting.
What's going down? That's a big duck. That is. How much lift do you want? All of it. That's a lot of glitter. Onyx Road got us hooked up with water and snacks. About to save my life. That thing sounds good. Jerry's Jeep up here. There he is. Just put a 6.0 in it. Monster. Geppetto's awesome as always. Little tires. I'll do one of those, thank you. All right. What you got going on here? Jeep Beach. What? Guess they're showing you. Welcome to the Oasis. There you go. Desktop, very yellow. digging the door frame wrap. Alright, so we just walked all of this, and I didn't even realize that all of this was over here. So at least gonna take a lap through. Gotta find aero lids. Look at this thing. What's happening here? This is literally a booth of ducks. Like, they just have ducks. Got the Clown Prince repping over here. That's SoCar Chemicals. Got Sergio's Jeep repping up in Maxis. And then Frank's. Look at this MJ. Seen some things. Good Lord.
It rolled.
Got a little Barbie looking Willys. Love the wood. Heart-shaped steering wheel. Look at the FC recovery rig. Finally found aero lids. What you got, bro? Oh man, look at that. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh shoot. Look at that. Woo. Look at those colors on the rad flows. You want real shocks, this is what you get, right? Later, man. All right, fam. That's all I could take. Saw the homies, walked around, saw everything, but I'm going to hit the pool and the beach. It is just super hot out here. So definitely if you're coming to the track, bring sunscreen, bring water, bring gaiters, long sleeves, suggest, but it is cooking. So we're gonna get out of here and head beachside. Let's check it out. Swear one of these is mine. What do we have here? Literally using this to find my Jeep. There it is. So obviously came to the track for fun, but I got two things I really needed. Got our CMM mounts for our mirrors. Jeep did an update in 23. Some old ones didn't fit. And got my aero lids insert. Show this off in a little bit. 4 low. Very cool. Just pure quality as always. Can't wait to drop these in. I could already tell they look a little shallower. Got the CMM on there. So yeah, this would be great. Take the doors off and have somewhere to put the mirrors. So cool. Just seeing the Jeep here with all these other Jeeps. Just rows and rows and rows. It's one of the coolest things about Jeep Beach, just the parking lot. Like, look at this. Even that, look at that. That is so cool. Big Jeeps, little Jeeps, all the Jeeps, island Jeeps. Speaking of Jeep Beach Jeeps, look at this thing. All right, through the tunnel, let's go. Not very impressive in a 3.6. It's liquid death, by the way. The hell? one of my favorite spots for lunch, down the hatch. Look at that. Triggerfish, never had it. My man said it was good, so let's go. Look what's next to me. Got stickers in the window. Oh, we got the photo shoot going down. Sun's out, buns out. I don't know what all these people are doing. People do this for sunrise, but why is everyone parking over there? He's flying a kite behind him. Had an idea for a video, just wanted a slow-mo tire spin. Didn't think about the outcome. That's what she wound up in. All right, this is how to turn on the lockers in a Rubicon. What do I do? All right, so to go in 4-low, I go neutral, down, over, down, drive. Now what?
You gotta push the locker button. Then you're locked.
All right, let's see. All right.
Whoa.
Are you getting video?
Yeah.
Okay, I get the video. Who needs a cage when you got speakers? Locker demonstration video got a little crazy. From the 2-wheel drive Vince kit coming through. So first time here, friends brought me. This place is awesome. It's MCK's Irish, and yeah, this place is pretty fun. Tavern.
I'm about to splish all over these girls.
Drop it. Girl, what are you doing? Following these guys. If you're wondering if Main Street's busy, we haven't moved.